Giving credit where credit's due, boosted boards really kickstarted an entire category of viable electric vehicles. Primarily because of improved battery technology, electric skateboards went from pipe dream to your city, zipping by with that characteristic meow. They're everywhere. Your standard electric board maxes out around 20 miles per hour, but a new generation of high-performance boards are emerging, packing as much juice as possible onto the deck, and quite frankly, they're getting scary. Here are 10 of the fastest high-performance models, ranked from slowest to fastest. The GTR series from Evolve comes in two flavors when you're choosing a design, a bamboo deck and a carbon one, with two sets of wheels available, street and off-road, so there are plenty of options if you want to customize this board. The street model is built for pavement, maxes out around 26 miles per hour, and the all-terrain with beefier wheels hits about 22, but can tackle light off-road terrain like grass and gravel. This board has plenty of power to shoot you up a 30% gradient hill, which is pretty steep. This electric board from OG of the game Boosted has a very sleek and premium design aesthetic, making it an excellent four-wheeled vehicle that you could ride for a practical commute or even just for the thrill of its top speed of 24 miles per hour, which isn't too shabby. The extra flexible deck of this skateboard makes for an energetic and responsive ride that will help riders feel safe and stable while maneuvering aggressively at high speeds and on downward tracks. 3.9-inch wheels, regenerative braking, and a top speed of up to 26 miles per hour are the main features that make the Meepo NLS worth trying as a super fast electric skateboard. And at a price point of only $499, this gadget's a little beast that can easily compete against the behemoths of the market. Seeing all of Meepo's features, we can definitely recommend it as a beginner board for the enthusiast who's just starting to ride and wants to go a little faster. Presented as the first electric board with AI built into it, the XTND is lightweight, extremely cool, and has a charging time of only 60 minutes, which is both amazing and very convenient at the same time. The top speed this skateboard can reach is 28 miles per hour, and it's intended to revolutionize urban transportation as we know it. The real catch is that this intelligent electric board is not only speedy, but it is also able to continually improve itself as you use it, learning your riding style on the go. We can't deny the fact that the Exway caught our eye from the first moment we saw it. Its ebony black deck and shiny smooth wheels making it an exquisite looking board. This is very impressive considering the fact this electric skateboard is made to be taken on rugged roads and rocky paths. With a competitive speed of around 29 miles per hour, we can safely say that the X1 Pro is that perfect mid-ranged electric board that can be enjoyed both by professionals and novices. After studying its specifications, we came to the conclusion that the Enertion Raptor 2.1 is the holy grail of boards for technical enthusiasts and tinkerers. With its fully modular, open source and programmable electronic propulsion system, this is the perfect project board if you want to dive under the hood and do some modding and make adjustments. In other words, this electric vehicle is the material of dreams for a tech enthusiast. With a maximum speed of up to 30 miles per hour, this thing will give you a thrill. Fiik Spine sports a highly distinct design, with a black deck made of specifically engineered carbon flex and four bright yellow 80mm wheels. It takes only 2 hours to charge this board, and it can reach a maximum speed of 30 miles per hour, which can be used for a range of 25 miles. The Australian-made Fiik is quite durable and does not require a lot of maintenance, and this is why it's an ideal board for the durability-minded. Now we're getting up to those dangerous speeds. With 4 motors, one driving each wheel, this BajaBoard model definitely knows how to take off, accelerating from 0 to 30 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds. A pretty impressive record to be honest, and very hard to pull off since you really can't stay on this thing full throttle. Moreover, the alloy suspension structure makes it a board good enough to be taken on the rockiest, most bumpy tracks, but we do recommend that you ride it only if you're an experienced boarder, because this baby knows how to take you for a spin. The Carvon EVO 4-wheel drive is an extremely fast vehicle, going about 50 miles per hour while also having an innovative technology behind its design that makes it way easier to steer and stay extra stable on the road. Taking into consideration its jaw-dropping speed, you might think that the EVO's battery will die after a few miles, but this definitely is not the case, because it's going to last for a good 25 miles, which is the most amazing part about this board if you ask us. It's truly mind-boggling that an electric skateboard is able to reach speeds of up to 68 miles per hour. Actually, this is downright insane and dangerous, and you better believe it because the NGV Nextboard is very real and it's a beast of a skateboard, made to be the fastest electric board in the world and intended to satisfy even the most daring and adventurous skateboarders on the face of the earth. Electric skateboard technology has really come a long way in these last few years, and some of these boards are ridiculously fast. We've included links to the boards in the description below. Please like, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff. Have a good day. Thanks for watching, guys.